Unraveling In General, a guide to understanding this common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we are going to explore a phrase that you've probably heard quite often, in general. Have you ever wondered what it means when someone says they like movies, in general, or when a fact is stated, in general? Well, you're in luck. We're going to dissect this phrase and show you how to use it to sound like a native speaker. So, let's get started. The phrase, in general, is used to indicate that a statement applies to most people or situations, rather than all of them. It's a way of generalizing without making an absolute statement. You can think of it as the difference between saying, I'm talking about things as a whole, rather than, I'm talking about every single instance without exception. When you say, in general, you're essentially saying that what follows is mostly true. But there may be a few specific cases where it's not. It's like saying, usually, but with a bit more emphasis on the overall trend rather than individual cases. Using in general correctly can be quite straightforward. It typically comes at the beginning or end of a sentence. Here are some examples to help clarify its use. In general, people prefer to have clear instructions. Most birds can fly. However, penguins are an exception, in general. Notice how in both cases, in general, helps to set the context for a broad statement without requiring that the statement be universally true. Another way to express a similar idea is by using the phrase, generally speaking. This is almost interchangeable with, in general, but can sometimes feel a bit more formal or academic. It's also used in the same way in sentences. Generally speaking, healthier diets lead to a better quality of life. Children, generally speaking, learn languages more easily than adults. In these examples, generally speaking, sets the tone for a general truth or belief. To remember how to use, in general, think about talking about a forest. When you describe a forest, you're talking about the trees as a whole, not describing each tree. In general, works the same way with information. It gives the big picture, not the tiny details. Here's a tip. Whenever you want to make a statement that applies broadly but not absolutely, insert in general to acknowledge there could be exceptions to the rule you're stating. That's all for today's video on the phrase, in general. We hope this explanation helps you feel more confident using it in your everyday English conversations. Remember, using phrases like, in general, can add nuance to your sentences and help you sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning!